Namaste students, welcome to WinMaths. Today in this video we are going to learn how to convert a expanded form into the standard form using Indian place value system. Let's take a problem. Writing following numbers in standard form. They are given set of numbers in the expanded form. We need to convert all the numbers into the standard form. We'll learn with an example. Here they are given one problem. Writing the following numbers in standard form. They is to give the expanded form. Using all the given expanded form numbers, we need to form a single number that should be in the standard form according to Indian place value system. For that, first starting from the highest numbers to lowest number, we'll arrange all the numbers in the periods using commas. So you know already ones period is having 3 places. Those are ones, tens, hundred. After hundreds place we need to put a comma. So I will make this 3 digits as a ones period and I will put a comma here. Again after that, these 2 digits 0 0 will form the thousands period. Therefore after this 10,000s place we need to put a comma like this. After this 2 digits will form the lakhs period. After lakhs period again we need to put a comma, last 2 digit will come in the crore. Same way we'll do the next number. These 3 digits will form ones period. After ones period we need to put a comma. These 2 digits will form the thousands period. After thousands again we need to put a comma. These 2 digits will form the lakhs period. After lakh again we need to put a comma. Same way we'll go to the next number. These 3 digits will form ones period. After ones period we need to put a comma. These 2 digits will form the thousands period. We need to put a comma. Last 2 digits will form the lakhs period. Next number will go. These 3 digits will form ones period. After ones period we need to put a comma. These 2 digits will form thousands period. I put a comma here. It will form the lakhs. Then next number. These 3 digits will form ones period. I put a comma. 30 will come in the thousands. These 2 digits will together form the ones period. We know that after 100 we need to put a comma. There is only 2 digits. Therefore, I am not going to put a comma at and here. Last digit is 2, which is single digit number. Again, we will not put a comma. So here we arrange all the numbers in Indian period. So if we write this one, we will get like this: 80 crore, 9 crore, 30 lakhs, 8 lakhs, 30,000, 20 and 2. After this, we will arrange all the periods given digits in Indian place value chart. Draw the Indian place value chart like this: ones, thousands, lakhs and crores period. Below that write the place names in each periods. Ones place comes with a place names of ones, tens, hundred. Thousands will come with thousands and 10,000s. Lakhs will come with lakhs and 10 lakhs. Crore will come with crore and 10 crore. Now we'll start arranging these numbers in this place value chart. So we know that this 2 is in ones place, 2 I wrote. Next number is 20. We'll look at non-zero digit, that is a 2. This 2 is in tens place. Therefore, we need to write this 2 in tens place. We need to skip the zeros. After 20, they are given 30,000. In this, we'll skip the zeros. We'll look at non-zero digit, that is a 3. 3 is in 10,000s place, which means they are not given hundreds, they are not given the thousands. When they will not give the numbers of hundreds or thousands places, that time we need to use the zeros. So therefore in hundreds I will write 0, Even in thousands also I wrote a 0. Non-zero digit, that is a 3, which is in 10,000s place. So I will write 3 in the 10,000s place. Next number they are given at and here as 8 lakh. In that we will skip the zeros. We will look at non-zero digit, that is a 8. 8 is in lakhs place. So 8 I will write it in lakhs place. Then we will look at the next number, that is a 30 lakhs. 3 is in 10 lakhs place. Therefore, I will write 3 in the 10 lakhs place. Next number they are given as 9 crore. We will skip the zeros. We will look at non-zero digit. That is a 9. 9 is in crores place. We need to write 9 in the crores place. Last number we have a 80 crore. We skipped this all the zeros. 8 is in place, therefore I will write 8 in the. Here we got the number. Now we will write this number into standard form using the periods. Here is the answer. We got 89 in crores period, therefore I wrote 89 in crore. 38 we got it in lakhs. 38 I wrote it in lakhs period. 30 I got in thousands. 30 I wrote it in thousands period. Then 0, 22 or 22 we got it in ones period. I wrote it in ones period. Hence standard form of the given expanded form is 89 crore, 38 lakhs, 30,000, 22. Same way we will take one more problem. They are given the number like this. First we will arrange these numbers in the periods. So we will get like this. First 3 digits will come in ones period. I wrote 3 zeros in ones period. Next 2 digits 0 0 will come in thousands. We wrote 1000. Again 2 more zeros will come in lakhs period. Lakhs period I wrote. Then 50 will come in the crore. We wrote 50 in the crore with including commas. Now we'll go to the next number. These 3 digits will come in ones period. We wrote 3 zeros in ones period and we put a comma. 2 digits will come in thousands. 0 0 again will come in the thousand. Last 50 will come in the lakhs. I wrote 50 in the lakhs including the commas. Now again we'll write this number. 3 zeros in ones period. I wrote 3 zeros in ones period and I put a comma. 50 will come in the thousands. I wrote 50 in the thousands. 500, we know that it is a 3-digit number which is ones. After ones we used to get a comma, but it is only 3 digits. Because of that I will not use the comma. 5 is the single digit, therefore I wrote 5 as it is. Here we arrange the numbers in the periods using commas. Next is we need to draw the place value chart. I drawn the place value chart like this. And we drawn the place names and periods also at and here. Now I will start arranging these numbers in place value chart, starting from lowest numbers to highest number. We have a 5 as the lowest number. 5 is in ones place, therefore 5 I wrote it in ones place. After 5 there is a 500. In that 0 zeros I skipped. Non-zero digit 5 which is in hundreds place, but they are not given the tens, therefore 0 will write it in tens, 5 I will write it in hundreds. Next number they are given 50,000. Again they are not given the thousands place, therefore I will write the 0 in the thousands place. 10,000s place they are given the 5, therefore I will write 5 in the 10,000s place. Next number is 50 lakhs. In that again I will skip the zeros. I will look at non-zero digit, that is a 5 which is in 10 lakhs place, which means they are not given the lakhs, therefore I will use 0 in here. 5 I will write it in lakhs place. Last number they are given as a 50 crore. I will skip all the zeros. I will look at only non-zero digit, that is a 5. This 5 is in 10 crores place, which means again they are not given this crore, therefore I will write 0 in the crore and I will write the 5 in the 10 crore. Here we got our numbers in standard form. We'll write this one with the help of the commas in the periods of Indian place value system like this. So here 50 is in crore, I wrote 50 in the crores. One more 50 in the lakhs, I wrote 50 in the lakhs. 50 is in the thousands, 50 I wrote it in the thousand. In ones period we got 505, we wrote 505 in ones place. Hence standard form of a given expanded form is 50 crore, 50 lakhs, 50,000, 505. This way we will convert all the given expanded form to the standard form.